Hello and welcome back to ARK Evolved with me and only me. Sky isn't online yet, so just me. And you say like, what? The house is gone? Yeah, it's fucking gone. I wanna like rebuild it. We discussed it like to build it with the castle walls and stuff, but I kinda had like an idea, and I don't really need the castle stuff for it. We might like do that like on the front and build like a nice wall here with some towers and stuff later on. But for now we have to rebuild the fucking house. It's like funny, you have like a big house with a lot of shit in it and then you like break it all down and build stuff. And then you can break it all down and put it in free storages, which is kind of funny I think. But let's get to business. I already like placed down the first foundation, so which I wanna like connect on. I don't know if I have like built enough shit, probably not from what I'm thinking, but we can like see how it goes. It's 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and if I go like this, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and yeah, this should work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yep, that works. Let's fill that in. Is it right? Yeah, it is. If I put like 4, yeah, then it's 6 times 6. That's what it was supposed to be. It's gonna be a bit bigger than the one before. And a bit more good looking, which is what I'm really aiming for here. Let's be a bit more careful. I don't want to destroy the foundations. I have to craft fucking new ones. Yep. It should work. I hope I got like the angle right. Kind of. Yeah. Should be kind of right. I hope. I still have 6 foundations. That should 12 foundations. It should be right then, because we're gonna make like one more here and one more here, one more here, and one more here, and then one more here and one more here. I actually counted correct, I think. Amazing! This must be the first fucking time for me. Go away. Don't make me punch you. Okay. Yep. And one here and one here. This should work out nicely. Or is it? Am I stupid? Yeah, it's right? Select the middle and this is like the first 2 parts. Yep. It's good. So let's get us the rounded foundations that are like in here with the mod stone rounded foundations. Left and right I have here. Now I need to figure out how to place them. I never used them before, so I don't want to fuck that up. I wanna... should I like turn it? Turn it like... okay, so this is the one that goes here, right? Yeah. And I need it like this? Is that correct? Let's do this one first. And then... wait, again. This and turn it and like that. That should be right. Yeah, it should be right. And number 7. Oh no! What are you doing, game? Yeah, like this, but this one is fucking wrong. So we might need to make another one. Fucking hell, what? This is ridiculous. Okay, what if I place it this way? You happy then? This is insane. This is so fucking insane and stupid. Okay, let's see. We can make one more. Oh, fucking hell. Let's place those here. We need one here. And one here. Don't do the same shit on me again. Okay. And one here. Yep. Looks right. But wait. Oh no, it should actually be fine. Then this is gonna get the door, and this is gonna get the door as well. Yeah. Okay. But we're missing 2 foundations. What do I need for that? Do I need? I think a bit more wood and a bit more stone. I hate it, like with the fucking stacking mod, it's like when you like break something down, it like gives you like little small stacks instead of like stacking onto each other. It's pretty annoying. It should be about enough. Now I need to also figure out, I think it was 7, right? Yeah, it should be right. I hope so. Or we have to destroy them again. Yep, right. Perfect. Now the funny thing is that I'm actually still missing 3 foundations that we have to make. Because I didn't make them for the back part. Apparently I didn't count correct. I was too happy too early. I got another metal hatchet. We still don't have a stupid Deodicurus, which would make this like insane process of crafting way easier, but what you gonna do? Okay, let's make 2 of those and 1 of those and see if that works. I can't really say because I'm gonna like place them on the edge there, and I don't know what kind of side I need for the 3rd part. You're gonna see what I mean. This is gonna work, and then I'm gonna place this one here, and perfect. Nice. So this is gonna be like a tower that goes up, and I'm gonna do like where, like here, there's gonna be another tower, and on the other side as well. This is gonna be like the entrance, and now we have to like build that up with walls and stuff. I'm gonna go for the doors and the normal round walls first, I guess. it's not gonna be enough. I have to like pause that video and keep crafting probably. So don't count on being that done in 5 minutes. No, turn that. Why aren't you? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yep, looks good. I'm gonna go with all at 2 high right now, so I can place like the first roof on it if everything goes according to plan. Hopefully it will. So I got at least the first floor done. Maybe put like in the smithy then, it's like after I place the walls, because I'm gonna need to repair my stupid hatchet to get some more fucking stones. Yeah, like this. And like this. I'm also planning on doing a bit of coloring later on the walls, but I haven't really decided what I'm gonna go for. Oh no! Fuck. Don't you hate when that happens? Not sure yet, but I think I'm gonna go with leaving most of the walls grey, and then go for a little bit of black, I think. Like nothing too fancy, like kind of like glowing colors like green or yellow or stuff. Okay, that's the rounded walls for the first floor. And now we need to get the normal walls. Let's put them away for now, they just like weighed me down. One, two. Like stupid or something. I think this one was kinda longer than the other one. But it can't be, can it? No. It should be right. So this is like a nice big fucking area, and it gets a second floor on top as well in the same size, and that is gonna be really nice. So let's see, that's the front. I don't know if I like that. I think maybe I should have like turned them a bit more, like taking these in a different direction, so they are like more here, so the wall goes like more outside to the left. I don't know. Maybe I should change that. I think it would look better, but then I also have to make this one longer, I think. I don't know, if I like change that now, would I like end up even in the same fucking place? And there, and there. Oh, like, thing here. But then I would need to like put a square thingy in here, which is not the idea actually. Hard to say. I can't even put like a square thing in here, because then it would like stick out with the edge like this. So I could do that, but then I would need to like cut it off here and then have the rounding there, which would suck. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to leave it like that. Apparently. I don't know! I wanna try it out. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna pause the fucking video and then like clip it all together, and then you will see how I decided. Give me a second. Be right back. Alright guys, here we go. I changed it a bit again, like as you can see I made it like go out here, so I'm going for like kind of an A shape, kinda ish, A-ish, and yeah, it goes like a bit out here. That's what I was like actually wanted to do. So we have like these things that go like kind of diagonal out, because you never like really can build diagonal in this fucking game. I always wanted to do like at least something like that. Now we need to place the walls again. Like this. Whoop. And like this, and not like this actually, but like this. Come on. No! Don't do that to me. Yep. And normal walls here. And here. Well, this is gonna make it even bigger. Why the fuck not, right? I mean, I need the levels anyway, so keep crafting and building, so is a good way to achieve that. Gonna need like the Quetzal saddle and the Mosasaur saddle, so will be good to have the levels. Oh, game lagging? What the hell? Okay, that's it. Nice, nice. This is how it looks like then now, and like both sides will get like towers that are higher than like the normal structures, and then it should look at least kinda decent, I hope. Aiming for decent is not like really what I want to do, but let's just hope it looks good then. Let's drop that shit off and that shit off and get some roofs. I don't think I have enough roofs. We have to like see how it goes. So we're gonna start here, I think. I also need to figure out where I want to build the stairs in. Oh my god, this is like... okay. Holy shit. What's with that? Oh my god, how the hell am I gonna build this? The fuck? Isn't that supposed like to... what the hell? This doesn't make any sense. Should like just like snap in here and then be done, right? Maybe I need to set this once first. Maybe this will solve this problem. Now it should just like snap them on here, right? Like this. Yeah, exactly. Or maybe not exactly. Ah, what the hell? Huh? Now a rubber band. What the hell is going on here? Let's try that again. I need to turn it. This is not working. So like this. Yeah, that's way better. And this should fit like this. Perfect. And this one like this. Nice. That's, yeah. Perfect. So now where do I want to build the stairs? I think I'm gonna put them on this side. Like kinda here. Maybe one more. No, let's do it like this. And snap them on here. Come on. Yeah, like this. And like this. Or maybe not. Oh, there it was. Just had it for a second. Come on. I know you can't snap them on there. Oh my god, the game's fucking joking. Just snap. There we go. So I don't know how much room we need. No, probably more. Kinda like this. Then let's build around it here. It should work nicely. Yep, it does. And that would then be onto the second floor. Holy shit, I'm gonna need to make a lot more roofs. This is not working with the other ones. Turn and should be right. It looks a bit weird, but it should be right. I think I'm gonna like place those first, just so I can snap them. Kinda like this. Also need one here. Yeah, and then let's go this way. And that's almost about all the roofs that I have. Shame. Can I make one more? No. Oh no! Stupid game. Can I make one more of those? Come on now. Oh, fucking bunch of crap. So I need to build this one, I think, like the other side around again, so it snaps the way I want it. Doesn't. Amazing. Okay, so this one like ended up here, so if I make it this one ended like this, so if I kinda snap it... No, that's the way I want it, so... What the hell? How the hell? Like this, if I then it should turn... No! What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna figure that out later. This one needs to go here. This is wrong. This one fits. And this one doesn't, I think. No. Maybe I can maneuver it here. Ah, doesn't look like it. So yeah, that's about all the roofs that I have. Well, I have one more, but it doesn't fit in here. I need like more of those roofs. No, I'm not gonna be able to... I don't know why this isn't working. Honestly. Huh, I guess whatever. This is probably as far as I'm gonna get right now. I need way more roofs. And I'm gonna need like even more roofs for the other roof that comes on top of this fucking walls. Oh man, that's gonna be a lot of work. So that's that for now. I'm just gonna keep fucking building. And then yeah, once I'm like getting to a point where I think it's worth showing the process, and later on Sky will be here as well, and then we're gonna do some other shit as well. So I will by then probably show off the most likely not completely but almost finished house. So that's it for this episode. I thank you as always for watching, and if you like, subscribe to the channel, or give the video a like if you liked it. I'm gonna be back later, well, for you probably tomorrow. And then, yeah, I hope I see you in the next episode, guys. See ya, bye.